And today, I want to introduce you to Bhagat Kanwar Ram. He was one of the saints who lived not too long ago. Of course, when Sindhis worship Jhulelal, but a lot of the Jhulelal facts have come to us historically, but a lot of them is legend by word of mouth. But in the case of Bhagat Kanwar Ram, a lot is recorded. We even have his recorded songs on HMV. And I don't know for how many of you know that we had the 78 RPM, which, originally before all the song instruments that have come out, the music, it used to be a 78 RPM record, which we used to call. And we have Bhagat Kanwar Ram's songs. So you need to know about this saint. Now, Bhagat Kanwar Ram was born in a small village called Dhahirki, Jarvaram Taluka, Mirpur, Mathelo districts in Sakhar in 1885 AD. Now, Sant Kanwar Ram was not only popular amongst the Sindhi Hindus but also with the Muslim. His father Tarachand, who had a shop of general merchandise, entrusted him to the care and tutelage of his guru Saint Satram Das. Sometimes Kanwar Ram would help his father and brother in the shop, and sometimes he would till the land. However, after Kanwar Ram's guru passed on in 1917 AD, which is really not too long ago, young Kanwar Ram moved and stayed in his guru's place. Bhagat Kanwar Ram recited shlokas from the Guru Granth Sahib. He was a humble, generous, and compassionate man. He wore a long kurta and a red headgear. He sang and danced at bhagats. Now, what is a bhagat? A bhagat is what the lead singer is called, and the bhagat is also what is considered as a very popular art form of Sindhi song and dance. It requires at least two performers, as the performance was interactive. Some were good singers, the others the Pichars or Boliara, that is the backup singers. But anyway, coming back to Kanwar Ram, Bhagat Kanwar Ram ji, he was a humble, generous and compassionate man. He wore a long kurta and a red headgear. He sang and danced at bhagats. Though he had not trained his voice, it was magical. Saint Kanwar Ram was renowned for his rendition of the Sur Prabhati, generally sung early in the morning. And the record company HMB made 10 records preserving 20 of the saint's musical renditions. These became extremely popular in Sindh. The money that Bhagat Kanwar Ram would collect would be distributed to the needy. So I'm going to be showing you some photographs of Bhagat Kanwar Ram. Of course, one of them is from the internet, but one I'm so proud to say is in my collection, and it seems that my grandfather-in-law, or it must be my grandfather-in-law, if not my grandfather, or maybe my father-in-law's grandfather, is the photograph is taken with him, and that you will see. And the song that is going to be sung today is going to be by my lovely friend Bhavna Vaswani, and the song goes something like this. Nale alakhaje bero tar muhijo. Wait, I'll tell you what it means. Before I tell you what the song means, I want to tell you two more facts. Sometime back, I received an email from a friend who informed me about a news item in the Sindhi Daily Ibrat. Maybe she is in fact one of my friends who tries to promote Sindhi to a very great extent. And she said that it said that an estimated 5,000 people gathered in Rukku railway station to commemorate the 65th anniversary of the martyrdom of Saint Bhagat. Like Saint Bhagat Kanwar Ram Bhagat was actually killed at gunshot in the Rukku railway station. But it seems that over 5,000 diyas, that is earthen lamps, were lit. And it is these news that really touch my heart. And I decided to get some more information about this great saint of Sindh and share it with you. There is also one more incident that is mentioned about, which is very, very popular about Kanwar Ram Bhagat, is this particular miracle, in which it seems that when Kanwar Ram Bhagat used to sing his kalams, what happened was that he sometimes people would give him their children, their babies, to bless. And this particular mother had so much faith that she brought her dead baby. And then he would sing a lori, a kind of lullaby, or, bless the child. And it seems that she put this dead child in his arms, and he continued to sing, oblivious of the fact that he was gone, he was dead. But it seems, and I think that song some of you may have heard is Karda Hua, means because like a child, because he would probably sing this for children. And that child came alive. And that particular incident is very well known about Kanwar Ram Bhagat. So let us continue with the meaning of the song that Bhavna Vaswani is going to be, the kalam that Bhavna Vaswani is going to be singing for us.
O naale alakh je bero tar mhinjo, O naale alakh je bero tar mhinjo, आया निंदर निमाणी निंधराया मानिमाणी, आया निंधर निमाणी निंदराया मानिमाणी, मुखे आधार तुहिंजो आहे आधार तुहिंजो, नाले अलख जे बेरो तार मुहिंजो, ओ नाले धणीअ जे बेरो तार मुहिंजो, ॾाढी आहे ॾिंगी दुनिया दुरंगी, ॾाढी आहे ॾिंगी दुनिया दुरंगी, कर बाज बाणीअ ते कर महर ॿोलीअ ते, कर बाज बाणीअ ते कर महर ॿोलीअ ते, दे दीदार पंहिंजो दीदार पंहिंजो, नाले अलख जे बेरो तार मुहिंजो, ओ नाले साईंअ जे बेरो तार मुहिंजो, ॾाढो आ सतायो दुनिया जे गर्दिश, ॾाढो आ सतायो दुनिया जे गर्दिश, बिना धणीअ पंहिंजे बिना साईंअ पंहिंजे, बिना धणीअ पंहिंजे बिना साईंअ पंहिंजे, नाहे आधार मुहिंजो आधार मुहिंजो, नाले अलख जे बेरो पार मुहिंजो, ओ नाले धणीअ जे बेरो तार मुहिंजो, बेरो तार मुहिंजो बेरो तार मुहिंजो, बेरो तार मुहिंजो बेरो तार मुहिंजो, नाले अलख जे बेरो तार मुहिंजो, ओ नाले धणीअ जे बेरो तार मुहिंजो, आया निंदर निमाणी निंदराया मां निमाणी, आया निंदर निमाणी निंदराया मां निमाणी, मुखे आधार तुहिंजो आहे आधार तुहिंजो, नाले अलख जे बेरो तार मुहिंजो, ओ नाले साईंअ जे बेरो तार मुहिंजो।